Hello, good morning, dear students. So, today we are starting with the next grammar topic. The name of the topic is report writing. Fine, so let us just start with the topic. So, first of all, what is a report? A report is a spoken or a written account of something that has been observed, seen, watched, heard, or investigated. So, a report is such a, I should say, a spoken or a written document or an account of such an event that has already been observed by someone, or an event which has been seen, watched, heard, or investigated by someone. So, there are different types of reports. There are mainly two types of reports. The first is a newspaper report, that is a report which includes a report about any kind of an incident, and the second is a report for a magazine which contains the report about different kinds of events and all. So what are the important constituents of a report writing? So the first one is headlines. The next is short and simple. The headline should be very short and simple. It should be written in the bold letters in a center alignment. It should be in such a language that is very much easy for everyone to understand. You should avoid number of articles. It should be in the simple present tense. It should be in the passive voice, the headline. The headline should be related to the topic, and it should be appealing and should catchy and be attractive. Usually the report means the content of the report is written in the past tense. Date. Fine. So the date. Write down the date after leaving a line after the headline, and the date should be written on the left hand side of the page. Place. Write the name of the city exactly after the date which mentions the actual name of the city if it is given in the question, and if it is not given in the question, that write down the name XYZ. Just write down the city, and after city you have to write down the name, that who is writing a report. And if the name is not given, then easily you can write down like XYZ or anything. Name of the reporter, that who is writing the report. It is not applicable during the newspaper or for newspaper reports. Designation of the writer, that what is the designation of the writer, that who is writing a letter. It is not applicable in the reports which are for newspaper reports. And it should be introductory part. The main portion is introductory part. Introductory paragraph should be very much easy to understand. It should cover the most important all the aspects of the events. It should answer, the introductory part should have the answers like what was the incident, where the incident took place, when did the incident took place, who were present. It should all these things should be in one single sentence, and do not elaborate the whole report in 2 to 3 pages. The next is description of the event, that the full description of the event should be in the second or the third paragraph. It should be in the occurrence of the event, that the flow of the event should be there, that do not write the end of the event first, or do not do such types of things. It should be in the simple past tense. So the description of the event should be written in the past tense. It should be in the semi formal language, means not highly formal language but not the lower language as well. It should be in the language which is very much easy for everyone to understand, and it should answer all the questions, that how, who, and why. Eyewitness account, so only applicable for the newspaper reports, that sometimes it can be used in the forms of reports, and it should be in the reported speech in further investigation or concluding paragraph. So the last paragraph, the whole report should be divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph should be that what was the place of incident, who were present over there, and all these things. The second paragraph should be in the simple past tense. It should be written in a very much easy language. And the third concluding paragraph should be about the investigation, that after writing this report, further investigation would be done for that particular event or not, and if yes or no, that should be mentioned. And then the concluding paragraph. So, see, this is a simple letter. See, this is the heading. Fine. And after that, who is writing the head boy means the designation is written. And then write down AP Public School and the date is written 7th August 2014. So this is the first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. So this is the sample letter that is about a particular incident or an event, and the second one is a sample of newspaper report. Fine. So this is the content. This is the high. It is written on the bold, so it would be the title, date, and the city. Thank you.